Hello everyone, I'm Delmar, your California Realtor and new construction specialist. And today we're going to talk about the top 5 pros of new construction communities. So without further ado, let's jump right into the video. Number 1, low cost maintenance. This is due to all the new appliances and modern technology used, especially in the HVAC system. For example, my home comes with fresh air vents, so in the spring or fall I open up my windows and I let the fresh air flow through and I don't have to worry about paying for electricity or any HVAC system. Number 2, the convenience of move-in ready homes. Some people are ready to move in right away, while some are looking for the summertime. So whatever your needs is, the new construction community can fit that for you. Some homes take 6 to 8 months just to build, while other communities already have homes ready to move in today. So if that's you, my contact is below. Shameless plug, had to put it in there. Number 3, modern homes with floor plans to match your need. More people like myself like open space and free flooring plans. And this can be hard to find in older homes. And the reason is because they were created more boxy and they were to fit more people. While now, people are looking for more open floor plans. Number 4, a new communities. You have to think that all your neighbors are new as well as you. So this makes it easier to make new friends for your kids as well as yourself included. So this is a huge value that people don't even talk about. Number 5, top amenities. Depending on the builder and community, different perks come with your community. I've seen 55 plus communities that come with a man-made lake, swimming pools, community gardens, grand clubhouses, tennis and pickleball court, just to name a few. How amazing is that? And these are only the top 5 things that are pros of living in a new construction community. My wife and I, we chose to do the same while we were PCSing into Beale. And having a new construction community honestly made it easier for us because we looked at a lot of resales and the value to buy that and put a lot of money into it came pretty close to having new construction communities. So there is benefits to doing it. If you have any questions, I would be glad to help. I am a new construction specialist. I live in a new construction home. I've done new construction for 8 years. So thank you for watching this video and I hope that you found it helpful.